Hey guys, Craig Gottlieb from HistoryHunter.com. Man, it's cold out here. There's so much snow. What am I doing in the middle of the forest? Well, if you know me, you know I'm here to shoot machine guns. Today I'm here with the M11 380, made popular by such films as Pulp Fiction and Scarface, Tony Montana, and pretty much any drug dealer that lived in the 1980s in Miami. The only problem is it shoots like 1,500 rounds a minute. That's crazy. It dumps a magazine in about 2 seconds. Not a lot of fun. Well, it's fun, but it's not very efficient. So what I've done, slow fire upper, turns 1,500 rounds a minute into about 600 rounds a minute. Turns a bullet hose into a very manageable machine gun. And don't forget, reaching down into the snow, geez, can put a suppressor on the end. Why? Because I don't like people snooping around while I'm shooting machine guns. Frankly, any gun for that matter. Now this weapon is complete. Looks like something just out of Scarface. Got an extended, what's that called, Diane Feinstein? Oh yeah, a stock. It's the stock that goes out. Should be very illegal. Suppressor's installed, stock's extended. Last but not least, 32 round magazine, fun. Put it in the bottom, and we're ready to shoot.